Hello guys and welcome to Java tutorial for beginners from Genius Coders. So in this video we will see how we can implement the menu. So menu bars, all we know what is the menu.
This is the menu bar, and in there are lot of menu items, like you can say undo, paste, delete. This is a menu item.
And in top this is the menu bar. So we have small code of JavaFX with hbox, stage, scene and main method. So let's get started. So for implementing the menu, we need to create first menu bar. Menu bar class object br equal to new menu bar semicolon and import. So look at here, import the JavaFX scene dot control. Now create the menu equal to new menu, import the packages, and here in this parameter pass the parameter of string which menu you want, like file, edit, source. So I want the file. So in file we have multiple options like new, open file, close, etc. So for this use the menu object get items and in this we need to add menu item. We can also create the separate menu item class object or pass the object of menu item, but the easy way to create this new menu item in bracket pass the string like here new. So pass new and semicolon. Import the packages. Okay, I thought we have wrong the package. Imported the wrong package. JavaFX. So this way we can add the menu item in your menu. So let's check another menu, open file, open file and close, and I want to separate this, means I want to add this separator like open file project from file system. In down we can see here the separator. So how we can add this separator? So for this we have one class separator menu item. Import the packages. Okay, separator, small mistakes. Okay, and give the last exit menu item. Now run this. Okay, firstly we need to, so before running the program you need to add the menu in your menu bar. So get menu, menus, add menu, use. So we are using the add method, not add all method. You can use add all also. We have pass here the menu object. Save this and okay, so in root we have to add the menu bar, children, add node and mbr semicolon, run this. Now we can see here we have one menu, and in one menu we have lot of menu items. So first we have here new, open file, close, and we have another separator menu item. You can see here the separator menu item, and last is exit. So this way we can add the or implement the menu in your JavaFX application. So let's see how we can implement the menu item, or you can say menu, using the scene builder. So we have three files: main, fxml, and controller class. So open this. So in main method we have the path of fxml file. In fxml file we have to design our application, and in control class we can control our components. Example, we can control the menus. Okay, so firstly add the menu bar here. Menu bar. Okay, so we have added the menu bar, and you can see here when we click on the plus button, they defaultly added the three menu, and in three menu one menu item, second menu item, and third. You can see here the preview of our application, so we can, okay, so they defaultly added the some menu item, but in case you want to add the extra menu item, so what we can do for this, we can go to here in search bar and drag the menu, and we can also add here menu undefined, and you can type the file menu string like help. Okay, so I want to add the menu item, so you can see here the menu item. We can add the menu item here. In menu item we have added the, in help we have added the second menu item. So let's give the install to any name. Okay, also we have some another menu item, like we have the check menu item. I will show you check menu item. We have custom menu item. You can see here the custom menu item, or we have also the radio menu item, or we have already done this code separator. Okay, so this type of menu item we have. Just check out the preview so we can see. So this is first the simple menu item. Undefined means checkable. Okay, it's check the menu item, means check menu item. Then click me custom menu item. Okay, so this is the custom menu item, and our last the radio button. You can see here the radio button. In here the separator menu item. Okay, so this way we can add or customize our menu bar and add the menu and menu item using the menu bar or some another menu items. So this way we can add the simple way to add the menu bar using the scene builder. So that's it guys in this video. See you in next video with another control.